ning selle autoriks Christopher Meyer.
La 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 la. Yeah. What's the deal? Ain't nothing wrong. We just shit away with it all night. Trying to get our heads back, get this money right and all that. You know what I'm saying? You know how it goes. Another day in the hood. Yo. Yo. Hey yo, what a night, New York City. Heard it going down. Friday night, midnight, Atlantic City. Slots machines, ding 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 when they ring off. Lock the doors, that's when those kids read off. Cigars, paisley rolls. Four just guarded me safely as we walked to the window. The cashier was scared, she asked for my info. The manager arrived with 2 guys, that's an insult. That's the code, Mr. Goals. We talking about $5 million here. This ain't Play-Doh, though. In your horoscope red, you gon' slay those. We got scribbles, Anthony Acid, rocking the show. Special guest stars, Mark Bronson. First 500 just went crazy when he let they answer it. All he did was plug me in. I got the charge and got they bras and ran through they whole department. Let me tell you what they say when I'm pulling up my trucks. They say, ooh.
Trying to have a little fun, maybe move a couple numbers, but when you moving numbers, all the haters start to wonder. Then they talk behind your back and they breath they speaking numbers. Man, I'm hot like the sun, like the middle of the summer, straight down in the flash. Where you can call me thunder, chicks call me Phil Drummond, 'cause I give them different strokes. Bah, 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 bah. Beat it up like a drummer.
Aitäh, Eero Tantsupeo!